Hey there, Tiny Bandits. Welcome. My name is CR and I am both a filmmaker and a game developer. Welcome to my game development series. In this series, I'll take you through the process of creating my game step by step. So what am I working on? Well, I am developing a game inspired by Metroid Prime. For those unfamiliar with Metroid Prime, it's a first-person shooter released back in 2002 for the Nintendo GameCube. It combines elements of exploration, puzzle solving and storytelling, and even after 20 years, its recent remaster shows that it remains absolutely a masterpiece. So back to my game. My project will incorporate similar mechanics, including puzzles and combat sequences. However, it will be set thousands of years in the past, and it will draw from Mesoamerican mythology. Our protagonist is a young boy named Teska who will gain godlike powers as the story progresses. While future Dev Diaries will focus on story and character development, these Devlog series will be more technical. So let's recap on what we have been doing so far. Last game Devlog, we've made a base character class for the main character. It had an attack function, and in this attack function, it creates a projectile. It shoots a projectile, and so we also made a projectile class, which can hit objects. And for the objects, we've made the base impact object, which generates an impact, sound, and effect, etc. We also had a crosshair, and we've also added a mesh. So basically, we have a player character that can walk around, shoot projectiles, has a mesh with animations in the mesh, and it can destroy basic objects, and by doing that it generates sound and effects. And all these sound and effects for now are just placeholders, and as the game progresses, I'll be making custom sound and effects for the video game, of course. So let's hop into the second game dev. Today we'll be focusing on HUDs, so mainly widgets, you can see, and also some basic items. So yeah, let's go. So I've created a health bar, and I've also created a weapon widget, a health bar widget, and also a rocket widget, which displays how many rockets you have. And for now, I've created one base item, and within this base item, I've created many child classes, which is the rocket pack, the health pack, and just some hazardous item for now, so I can test out whether or not I can be damaged for the health bar, and also test out the rocket widget, which displays the amount of rockets. For each rocket pack you get 2 rockets, and I've capped it at 5 because I don't want you to have infinite amount of rockets. So I've created a base item class, and this base item class has a many other functions, so to speak. And from this base class, I'll be creating 3 child classes, maybe more later in the game. But for now, it's called a rocket pack, a health pack, and hazardous item. The rocket pack, so whenever you go, there's an on collect function. This enables you to gain the rockets. As goes for the health pack, whenever you gain a health pack, your health gets restored. And for the hazardous item, these are just things, objects that I would like to have in the world, which are sort of hazardous, and if you come in contact, your health will be depleted. So yeah, these are for now the basic items that I've made. So let's test them out to see also the HUDs and widgets functioning. So what I've done for now is just create a health bar, a weapon widget, so to speak, There's no real function, but it's just like a visual aid to see later on in the game that there will be a weapon widget, and according to your weapon status, for example, you have the fire weapon status and then you have the lightning weapon status, so the widget will represent which weapon you have at that moment. And I've also added a rocket widget. This is just a simple widget to display the amount of rockets you have. As I said, for now it's just sitting on a cap of 5, but as the game progresses, the health packs or the amount of rockets will become more. So these stars are the rocket packs, as the meshes are supposedly be the rocket packs. Those weird spiky things are the hazardous items, and on the right the vases, or vases or vases, alien vases or vases, or for now the health packs. So as you can see, we now have 2 rockets, and I'll take a third item, but it caps out at 5, so that works. Let's see, shoot the rockets. Yes, bam. As you can see, it has a strong damage effect on the base impact objects, and they just get destroyed easily, because I want the rocket to be maybe 3 to 4 times more powerful than the blast. Alright, so these are the rockets, and once it depletes, you can just, go and get a new rocket pack. Yes, and that works perfectly. So I am happy. Alright. I love the rockets, by the way. Just so cool. Shoot, bam, blast, and hear the sound, and to have an effect. Alright, let's test the hazardous items. As you can see, the health bar depletes, so those work and the health bar works. And let's test out the health pack. As you can see, the health increases again, and there you go, we have a full health bar. Now these widgets work, so that's great, except for the weapon widget, which I'll tackle later on. But yeah, for now it works. And these widgets are also, for me, I've created them with the help of AI. If you haven't checked out how to create super AAA widgets with the help of AI, check out that video. I've used the help of AI. I really love it, especially when I'm at designing a game, and I just need something visual, and I don't want to go to an artist or spend a lot of money to create these stuff. So it comes really in handy at times like these. And for now, I think I'm very happy with it. Of course, it will change, but it gives me a certain direction, and I can think about it. Is this the widget that I want? Yes or no? How does it feel? Maybe I can show it to someone else. They can play test it and see what they like. And I'm absolutely very curious what you guys think of the design of the widgets. What do you think? I'm super curious. I'm really curious. So guys, please place it on the comments below. I love to hear your thoughts. This is not the final widget or style, but it does give me a certain direction. So yeah, let's recap. For now, we have a simple HUD with many widgets on it. One widget displays the health bar, the other widget displays the amount of rockets, and the other widget displays the current weapon you're using. We made some base items, a rocket pack, a health pack, and a hazardous item, and these are all tested and the widgets work. So I'm very happy about it, and yeah, I can't wait to further develop. As goes for the next devlog, stay tuned because it's gonna be amazing. We're gonna create the log system, which is also a very important feature of Metroid Prime. Is anywhere at any given time you can log on to items, to enemies, and that's a big integral part of interacting with the world. And this is something I absolutely wanted in this video game, and that's what we'll be making. So that's on the next. That's it for today's devlog. I hope you found it insightful and that you're as excited about this project as I am. There's a lot to cover and many more updates to come as we continue on this game development journey together. Thank you for tuning in. My name is CR and I can't wait to see you in the next one.